I'm Charlie McKenna with Lillie's Q, and today we're here to show you how to truss a bird. We're going to use a chicken. This could be done on quail, this can be on turkey. So any type of bird that you want to truss or tie up, basically is what the word truss means. We're going to show you how to do it and why to do it. So if you start with this beautiful organic chicken here, you can see nice beautiful skin covering the whole bird. We do have a little piece of fat back here, so that is hanging off. So we'll clean that up a little bit, just take it out. Right, we can set this off to the side here. Now you have this nice beautiful bird presented like this, legs up. So when trussing a bird, what we're trying to do is we're trying to, one, bring the bird in together so that it is nicely presented. Obviously people eat with their eyes first, so we want the bird to be beautiful when it comes out of whatever cooking method you're doing, smoking, roasting. And then the second thing is it helps the bird cook more evenly when it's tighter and tied up together. All right, so we're going to show you how we here at Lillie's Q do it, or I do it at Lillie's Q, and we're going to start with the butcher's twine, right? So what you can do is you can rip off a piece. You basically need to go around the bird once with some extra little things around the legs. So we're going to guesstimate on how much butcher's twine we use. Butcher's twine is relatively cheap, so if you waste a little bit, it's not something to get all freaked out about. But you have the bird here, and you can see from back here you have this little tail of the chicken. So we'll take the butcher's twine, we're gonna put it, basically get it about even, a little bit longer on the right side a little bit because of the way it wraps around the bird. So we're gonna take our butcher's twine here, we're gonna actually slide it underneath this tail, and we're gonna use that tail to hold it right there like that. You can see as I pull up, it's held by the tail. We're then gonna take our two hands above the leg pieces, and we're going to wrap them around the legs in a circle like this. And then we are going to take our hands and crisscross the strings back. So the right hand goes to the left and the left hand goes to the right. Now, as you can see, it'll pull the legs together and start to pull them in tight towards the breast. So as I start to truss this bird, I'm gonna drop my right hand, I'm gonna take the string and I'm gonna put it around the bird right between the leg and thigh piece. I'm then going to go inside the wing here, but down low so it doesn't cut across the breast. And as we come up, you can see we're gonna go and put it around the neck. So the neck is here, we're gonna put the string up in the bird around the neck, come back around the same part of the breast over here and the wing down low, and then we're going to pull it between the thigh. Now as you pull it around to the back, you can see we'll have a little bit shorter piece and a little bit longer piece, and we're gonna truss the bird up. So I twist the twine around once, then I twist it around twice, and then I will cinch or start to tighten the legs in. As you can see, when I cinch the twine that's been wrapped around the neck and everything, it pulls the legs in and pushes the breast up a little bit for that nice presentation. So as I cinch it, I get it nice and tight. As you cinch, when you wrap, because you wrapped it twice, it'll hold its spot. So I'll go around and then tie it off one more time, nice and tight. That way the string around is nice and tight, and then you have these two pieces. You do have this little bit of waste here that I will trim off with a knife. Obviously you could save this piece and use it for something else, but we'll set that to the side. Now you have these wings of the truss bird that are still kind of out there. So what I do is I turn the bird on its side. With this wing, you have the little clip here. So basically what I do is I tuck the wing in, and then I use that clip around the twine to kind of hold the wing in its spot. Right, so we'll put that right like that, set it back down, pull the wing out a little bit. Now on this other side down here, we'll do the exact same thing. We'll twist the wing a little bit in its little holder. Now you can see that the wings are held by their little twine pieces. So the wings are held in, the now legs and thighs are held in, the breast is nice and presented on top. This will give us nice even roasting, as well as it'll give a nice presentation when you're done cooking. That's how we truss a bird at Lillie's Q. For more tips, recipes, and products, you can go to lilliesq.com or check us out on YouTube and Instagram.